workshop is one of the approaches we pursue that lots of our member countries participate together with the ADB staff to find the opportunity or the projects to establish. And then with that, we hope to have a certain pipeline of projects in the next couple of years. ADB pursues the sustainable transport, and then the e-mobility is one major area. We see a great opportunity.
I think it is both relevant and timely given the strong growth of electric mobility across the region that an event like this happens in collaboration between ESCAP and the Asian Development Bank. There are 3 gaps in transitioning to electric mobility, and those 3 gaps are data, capability, and financing. So between ESCAP and the ADB, we're well positioned to address these gaps together.
I think this regional meeting is very good, where I think we bring people from different parts of the world and sharing the lesson learned, especially in some of the projects that we have been promoting the e-mobility and focusing on, I think, the financing. I think in terms of of course, with ADB and with various funds, I think they can share how each country or some of the developing countries can find the bankable project.
For Fiji, the key takeaway from this regional meeting and workshop is really to learn from the collective knowledge on their technologies, on their financing models, on the regulations, and also on the challenges and solutions as we move on with the e-mobility journey.
We found that the countries are having similar challenges. They're all looking at solutions for financing. They're all looking for solutions on standard setting. So we developed the support and investment platforms to help these countries connect, sharing best practices, but also bringing together these countries so they can learn, so we can do training sessions, etc. And we can look for financing solutions.
So you see, this time I was surprised looking at more than 150 people coming together. And already we had one nice discussion on the e-buses, thanks to the Thai smiles. Lots of exciting questions and answers. And then I hope those people get excited and inspired to make it happen in their countries.
And the collaboration between government and other stakeholders will make some solutions, not only pick up the problems, but we can make some practical solutions also.